Hi you guys, welcome back to another one. I'm going to share with you guys how to make this simple, straight, amazing drink, which is filled with vitamin and fiber, and it's just full of goodness. Okay, so I've got my ginger, I've got my lemon, I've got my orange, and I've got rhubarb. Okay, and I did add sugar to taste because rhubarb can be very sour, and I've got clove as well. And again, I love using clove as a spice. It's got so much health benefits, absolutely amazing for your body if you want to fight all types of illnesses. Like clove is the one, it kills bacteria, it improves liver health. So this is why I love making these drinks at least once or twice a week. This is rhubarb season, so there is no excuse not to make this wonderful, refreshing homemade drink. Okay, again, I boiled it and then I let mine cool overnight, and then I can just go about my day, pick it up, drink it as I need that energy booster. Guys, this drink will last me about 3 days, and then I can just make a fresh one, but usually I either make it once a week or once every 2 weeks, as it is in season at the moment. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you are enjoying what you are seeing, make sure that you help me grow on this platform and give it a massive thumbs up. Click that like button and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so I can bring you guys more content. I really hope you have enjoyed this quick, simple recipe. It's absolutely refreshing and you can really play around with the flavors. Okay guys, I definitely will see you guys next time. I'm gonna enjoy my drink. I'm gonna share some with you because there's a bit left over, so let's have a drink. It's summer, it's refreshing, and it's delicious. Okay, bye.